Hi guys, Tony here from Tiger WP and welcome to the demo of Local Lead Theme. Now, Local Lead Theme is a beautiful one-page modern theme. It has lots of page elements to choose from and they're all drag and drop via the page builder. I'll walk you through some of those elements now. So we've got services. Again, really nice parallax effect. You can showcase your work or your client's work. You can break it down into categories, so you could have images, audio, video, whatever you require basically. You can have your latest blog posts on your home page. We've also got an art theme element, so you can let people know about your members of staff. And we've got testimonials element as well, which is a slider. You can also include a video, so your visitors can know more about your business. Also got pricing tables. We've also got maps integrated. And we've also got a contact us form. In this case it's at the bottom, but as I said, all these elements are drag and drop, so if you wanted this contact form at the very top, it will be quite easy to do that. You could have that here quite easily just by dragging up to that position using the page builder, which I'll show you shortly. At the very top here where this image is, this can actually be a slider. It's not sliding at the moment because I've just not put enough images in there for it to slide. It can also be an HTML5 video player, so you can have full width videos here, which is very useful, especially because video is so hot at the moment. So have, you know, this type of full screen video player above the fold is very useful indeed. The theme's bundled with Layer Slider plugin, which you can create fantastic slideshows, you know, video galleries, full width videos, whatever you want basically. It's an amazing plugin just in itself. In the theme we've also got built in several different theme colours for you to choose from, and you would be able to choose those very easily within the theme options panel. Again, I'll show you that very shortly. It's as easy as that, really. Okay, so as you can see, this is a fantastic theme, you know, just as a standalone theme, but the best is yet to come, as they say. Let me show you in the back end. First thing I'll do, show you the theme options panel, and again this is where you can choose your different colour schemes. Got a colour picker as well. You can enter your license key, header information, footer information. You can change your logo here. You know, you can choose all your blog settings, your social sharing icons there. I'll just show you that very quickly actually. In the footer, this is widgetized area, so you can get up to 4 widgets in here. There's your social block, contact us, mailing list, about us in this case, but again these can be whatever you want to be. It's just drag and drop from inside the back end in the widgets area here. The other thing I want to show you is we've also got white label built in, so for you offliners, if you're building a local website for your clients, you can brand this to your business. What I want to show you now is our local SEO engine technology. which makes this theme really unique. Now for speed, the first thing you would do is create a keyword set by clicking Add New. I've already created one for speed for this demo. To create a keyword set, all you would do is enter a keyword set name, a shortcode name, and you would copy and paste your keywords in here. You can bulk import them if you want to, but unless you're doing tens of thousands of keywords, I wouldn't bother. I would just copy and paste them as I've done here. Once you've done that, you'd save the changes. You would then go back to keyword sets, and you've got a shortcode. So you grab that, copy and paste, or copy it in this case, and as you can see, there's 1,632 keywords in this keyword set. Next thing you do is go to pages, and what you would do is create a new draft page. It has to be a draft page. For speed, I've already done that. Once you've created your draft page and you've saved it as a draft, you would enter a title. As an example for this demo, I've chosen dentist, so dentist in, and then you would paste your shortcode. Next thing you would do is come down to the all-in-one SEO pack. This is a free plugin, as most of you will probably be aware of, that we use in conjunction with our local SEO engine. So again, you would enter your title, description and keywords here. Again, for speed, I've already entered some information. So dentist in, then the shortcode, emergency dental service in, then your shortcode. This can be whatever you want it to be. These keywords do not have to be local towns and cities. That's great if you're building a site for yourself, if you're a local business, or if you're an offliner for one of your clients and you want to saturate their local area, make sure they're optimized for all the little towns and cities that they're targeting in their county, whatever. All these keywords can be long tail keywords for an affiliate product, a CPA product. If you're building a niche site, there can be all the keywords and that are relevant for that particular niche. Once you've done all this, you would then go to your pre-built pages. All the pages that you build and save will be in this section here. This is the page builder, so you can choose all your elements. These are all the elements we have currently. We will be adding to these once we know what people want via our Facebook group. So please make sure you join the Facebook group. So once you've imported the page you want to use, I've already done this for speed on the pre-built pages, you would then save the draft. Now you can either schedule how many pages you want creating. You would just put, you know, whatever number of pages you want created, and whether you want that in minutes, hours or days. In this instance, for this demo, I'm just going to generate them all in one go. Now our local SEO engine software is going to work. Because it's creating over 1,600 pages, it may take 30 seconds or so, so I'll pause this video while it does that. Okay guys, it's finished generating the pages now. As you can see, 1,632 pages generated. Before we have a look at those, I'll just save this page as a draft. Just before I do that, I'll just quickly show you how easy it is to drag and drop the page elements. So if you wanted this one over here, again, everything's drag and drop. You can clone the page, you can delete that particular section. Nothing, everything's down to your imagination basically. And as I say, we will be adding extensively to these elements once we know what people want. Let's go and have a look at the pages that have been generated. Okay, so 1,633 pages created, optimized landing pages in what was that, 30 seconds, 40 seconds? Just have a look at a couple of these pages, so you can see here how they're optimized anyway, but I'll show you the metadata in a second. So this is the all-in-one SEO plugin. As you can see, all the metadata is optimized in this case for all these towns and cities in New York State. I'm not familiar with any of these towns or cities because I live in the UK, but let's have a look at this one, Andover. Some of you may be familiar with that. Straight away, as you can see in the URL is optimized for that particular city. Now, this is the page that your visitors would land on in this instance. They don't know that, you know, to your visitor they're landing on the home page of your site. They don't know any different. But it's what the search engines see that matters. So I'll have a look at the page source here. Right, so let's look at the title first of all. Dentist in Andover. So the URL is optimized. The title is optimized. Here's the all-in-one SEO pack settings. The description is optimized. Emergency dental service in Andover. And again, the keywords are optimized. Dentist in Andover, emergency dentist in Andover. You can have as many keywords as you want, of course. I've only used 2 for this demo. Let's choose another one. Dentist in Annandale-on-Hudson. Again, I'm not familiar with this place, but you may be. Again, to the visitor, they're landing on exactly the same page that we saw in the previous page. It's no different. This is just my demo page, but this would be a page that you created to your specification, of course. So let's have a look at the page source again. Again, you can see, firstly, URL is optimized. Okay, let's look at the title again. So title, Dentist in Annandale-on-Hudson. The all-in-one SEO pack settings. Description, emergency dental service in Annandale-on-Hudson. Now let's have a look at the keywords. Dentist in Annandale-on-Hudson, emergency dentist in Annandale-on-Hudson. So again, you can see perfectly optimized for that particular town or city. I'm sure you can agree, guys, what I've shown you is very, very powerful, and there's a multitude of ways you can use that. As I say, your own business, local business site. If you're an offliner, your client's local business, affiliate sites for a specific product, CPA offers, niche websites. It's perfect for all of those. It's really down to your imagination. These pages get indexed in the search engines. On the sales page, you will see proof of that. Anyway, thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Hit the buy button now and look forward to seeing you on the other side.